Are you dizzy?
Just
Yeah.
I'm super.
I'm swaying
yes,
right now.
yes.
I feel like I'm on like a boat.
My head's. Yes,
Yeah.
exactly. Very seesawish and stable. That is so cool.
He was killed in a head-on collision with another train.
Oh my gosh.
It was a very famous wreck between Louisville
Hey,
and
look,
Frankfurt.
it says copper. It says copper right here.
I'll be damned, it does. It's referring to the car.
It is. I don't know. That's very strange, but
Is that what they also call people who hop trains?
I don't
Hoppers?
know. I thought they called them like train spotters.
we have people who do.
We do. Oh no. It's in there.
Yep.
Yeah.
The one room is not on.
Oh Jesus, it's back there.
Yep. It's the only place you can hide here.
Yeah.
Well, hi.
In the kids area. How nice is that? Outside, oh, it's totally a dude, and might be the dude in the white coat.
I'm gonna say that. Right.
I feel like there's electricity going through my legs.
Yeah.
So the lady must be on the tracks. I don't know, but she's not inside.
Well, that's what I said. I didn't feel like she was associated with this building, that maybe just the property. Because, you know, this used to be, you know, there was like a 10-track yard here, like with this depot.
Mm-hmm. And no telling how many
there
people
was-
came through and the emotions
Yeah.
attached to this place. But yeah, this is totally a guy.
He definitely has a, I want to say he was a drinker. Like, because every time I try to connect, I feel drunk. For like, I feel.
Oh, sweet Jesus. It's like 20 degrees colder in here.
No, I don't like
I don't either.
Why is that happening? Okay, you can go first. You and your selenite wand.
Just hold the door.
Okay, got it.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, yeah. We found him. He's right there. Yep. Yeah, he's right. Hey.
Sorry, we're talking about you like you're not here.
So what do you feel? I mean, what kind of personality is this guy?
Oh, not.
Walk in there.
Come on in. Tell me what you feel. You can. He's not gonna. You're okay. Oh man. Look down in there. He's right there.
Hi. We're not here to bother you. We're not here. We mean you no harm. These ladies, you can speak to them. You can give them your information if you need help. If we're just trying to make contact with you, we mean you no harm.
Now I feel like super hot.
Yeah, like my shoulders and my pits are sweating. And I was gonna say I taste like metallic.
Blood, like
Blood.
Metallic.
blood.
Blood. Mhm.
Tastes like coins.
That's what it's pennies.
Do you not want us here?
My heart just started going crazy.
Hope this is the ladies' room, because if I gotta go, I'm not using this room.
Oh, class, Chris. You wanna go in?
Oh, it's unisex. I can use this one anyway.
Hey, Callie, hold this door real quick.
Yeah.
We're not gonna get shut in here if nobody.
Well, we're here if the door closes.
It's so loud, man.
Can you tell us your name?
I don't know, I'd say later that'd be a good place to, maybe two of us sitting there with a recorder.
Yeah.
Just talk.
Yeah. I heard a John, but I don't know if that's him because I feel it got crowded down here.
Well, we were in the John.
Very good.
True.
Aren't these models just friggin' amazing?
It reminds me of like being a kid. My dad had one of these in our